Mid-autumn holiday, 中秋节 or a moon festival is a major Chinese festival and a time for family reunions on the 5th of the 8th Chinese lunar month. When the moon is full and bright, people celebrate by eating mooncakes and admiring the full moon on this day. It's a joyful event. I'll share related Chinese vocabulary. Make sure to stay to the end. During the Mid-Autumn Festival, we look up at the splendid full moon, the year's brightest and roundest. This is called 赏月. 赏 has two meanings and 月 is the moon. Let's focus on the bei on the bottom. Bei means shells, and in the past, bei was used as currency, so bei relates to money. 赏 can mean a reward in 赏月. 赏 means to appreciate the beauty of the 月 moon. Mooncakes, 月饼 is a mid-autumn festival specialty. We present mooncakes to the moon and eat them to celebrate. The taste of mooncakes vary by area. The traditional sweet 月饼 are with a date or bean paste, and the savory ones such as a yolk or pork. There are some modern twists. 月饼 filled with ice cream or less sugar, healthier options. Have you ever tried 月饼? If yes, what flavor do you like? If not, what flavor do you want to try? I like yolk and date paste. 枣泥蛋黄月饼. You're welcome to share your preference in the comment. In Taiwan, we celebrate 中秋节 with mooncakes, 月饼, pomelos, 柚子, and barbecues, 烤肉. Barbecues in public parks, on the sidewalk in front of our homes, or on rooftops. The reasons why people start to barbecue in 中秋节 is actually from a successful barbecue sauce commercial. Since then, Taiwanese embrace the idea of 中秋节烤肉. Pomelo, 柚子 is a South and Southeast Asian fruit. Giving protection and blessings is to 保佑. 柚 share the same pronunciation. We cut pomelos to make hats to children. 柚子帽 symbolizing they are protected by gods. Beware that don't wear your cat's or dog's 柚子帽 because the essential oil might harm them. It's time to have some 月饼. And if you want to learn more about Chinese, you are welcome to check around my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.